Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your membership with Gold's Gym detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your membership with Gold's Gym, start by locating your membership details. Gather your membership ID and any related documentation. Check the specific terms of your contract regarding cancellation. Visit the Gold's Gym website to find your nearest location. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Contact Us link. Look for the customer service phone number or email address. Alternatively, consider visiting the gym in person for assistance. If you choose to call, be prepared to provide your membership ID and personal information. Clearly state that you wish to cancel your membership. Listen to the representative's instructions carefully. If it's necessary, follow any additional verification steps they provide. If you prefer to send an email, compose a message including your membership details and cancellation request. Be sure to request confirmation of your cancellation in writing. If you decide to visit the gym, speak directly with a manager or customer service representative. Request a cancellation form if needed and fill it out completely. Keep a copy of any documents related to your cancellation for your records. Inquire about any final charges or fees associated with your cancellation. Check your bank statements to ensure that no further payments are deducted. Finally, monitor your email for confirmation of the cancellation from Gold's Gym. Make note of the cancellation date for your records. This process may vary slightly depending on your location, so ensure to follow specific guidelines provided by your gym. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your Gold's Gym membership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.